Lorraine Pascale. Lorraine Pascale, born 17 November 1972, is a British television TV chef and USA Food Network host and former top model, best known for selling almost 1 million books in the UK alone. Her TV shows are in 70 countries worldwide. She had her own cooking show on the BBC for several seasons. From 2007–2012, she owned a retail outlet in London selling baked goods called Ella's Bakehouse, named after her daughter. She is the United Kingdom Government Fostering and Adoption Ambassador and an emotional wellness advocate. She is the mother of Charlie's Angels star Ella Balinska. Personal life. Pascale was born to Caribbean parents in Hackney at the Mothers Hospital, and was fostered in Leytonstone immediately after she was born. She was adopted at 18 months old and brought up in Witney, Oxfordshire by a white couple, Roger and Audrey Woodward, who already had a son, Jason. Her adoptive father was a multilingual Spanish academic who had taught at Oxford, and her mother was a nurse. When her parents divorced when she was 3 years old, Pascale remained with her mother, who subsequently became ill and could no longer care for her. At this point, at age 7, she was fostered to more than one family, with differing degrees of fit. After a year, she returned to her mother and met up again with her father, who had remarried and had a daughter. She won a full scholarship given by the Buttle Trust and was educated at a boarding school in Devon. Pascale has an elder brother and a younger half-sister. She knows her biological parents' identity and their 4 other children, but she does not wish to re-establish contact. I know my birth parents' names. I know I've got 3 brothers and 1 sister. I know that some of them are in London, but I don't have any desire or need to find them. One family is enough. Pascale got married in her early 20s. The couple have since separated and subsequently divorced. On 26 June 2021, she wed businessman Dennis O'Brien at Chelsea Old Town Hall in London. Career. At age 16, Pascale was spotted as potential model by the agent who had found Naomi Campbell. Based in New York, she achieved recognition as the first Black British model to appear on the cover of American Elle. She appeared in the 1998 Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue and featured as one of the Bond girls in Robbie Williams' Millennium video. Pascale recognized the need to ensure her future after modeling and embarked on a series of career tryouts, including hypnotherapy and car mechanics. She took a diploma cookery course at Leith's School of Food and Wine in 2005 and found that cookery fitted her like a pair of old jeans. After gaining her diploma, she did a series of stages in some London restaurants, but, realizing that restaurant hours would not suit her, Pascale established herself as a specialist cake maker with a contract with Selfridges. Her introduction to Selfridges was at the suggestion of chef Marco Pierre White, and in 2008 and 2010 she supplied the London store with over 1,000 Christmas cakes. Pascale has opened her own cupcake shop in Covent Garden. She also studied culinary arts at Thames Valley University, now University of West London, and in March 2012 graduated with a first-class degree. In 2015, Pascale said she practices transcendental meditation to relax after work. Television and publishing work. In January 2011, Pascale presented a television bakery program, Baking Made Easy, on BBC television and published a bakery book based upon this series. Later that year, a second series, Home Cooking Made Easy, was broadcast in September and October with an accompanying book. A last-minute Christmas program aired on BBC Two on 22 December 2011. A third book was published in 2012 and a series based upon it, called Fast, Fresh and Easy Food, aired in August and September 2012 on BBC Two. Since January 2014, Pascale co-presents and judges the UK version of My Kitchen Rules with Jason Atherton on Sky Living. In early 2014, it was announced that Pascale was to host a new 6-part television series called Lorraine Pascale, How to Be a Better Cook that would air later in the year on BBC Two. In March 2015, she co-hosted the nation's favorite food alongside the Hairy Bikers. The show aired for one episode on BBC Two. Lorraine is also a judge on Food Network's Holiday Baking Championship and Spring Baking Championship, as well as a mentor on Worst Bakers in America. She was a judge on 2 episodes of the first season of Bakers vs. Fakers and became the host for season 2. Charity. Pascale is the patron of TACT, the UK's largest fostering and adoption charity, and an ambassador of both the charities Rays of Sunshine and the Prince's Trust. In summer 2008, she was made the ambassador of the National Careers Service, launching the service with Skills Minister John Hayes. Pascale visits schools and women's maximum security prisons across the country, talking about confidence and emotional resilience. Filmography.